Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to exchange money in Western Union. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Western Union account through the app or website. Now click Send Money option and select the country where you are sending funds. Western Union will automatically display the local currency for that country. Now, enter the amount you want to send. Western Union will show the converted amount in the recipient's currency, along with the current exchange rate and transfer fees. Choose your payment method, whether it's a bank account, debit card, or credit card. Review the details and confirm the transaction. Once the transfer is complete, the recipient will receive the funds in their local currency based on the exchange rate provided at the time of sending. That's how you send money internationally with currency conversion through Western Union, quick, easy, and secure.